In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. In my case, this one. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner. Click on Files category. And now you can select your files right away from here. Click on one of those apps or access variety of sources by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner. Wherever you decide, you can always make it easier by selecting audio and video filters at the top. Finally, just hold your file that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!